This is a Ford Capri 2-litre Sports, a 2-litre engine, and I've owned it since quite for a long time, for most of its life. I owned it from about 1991. It's a child of its time. It's very long, there's no power steering, and it requires muscle to turn the wheel around. Simple to do work on, and the Pinto engine, which is extremely strong and withstands no matter of abuse. It's been garaged all its life. It's an original, but all the exterior is as it was come out of the factory. The interior, the fabric and the plastic is the same as it was when it was made, and that includes the engine. The engine's never been taken out. It's just had a decoat and tuned, and nothing else has ever been done to it. So it's a car which is fairly rare these days. Of the Capri, almost 2 million of them made, and today there's only about 1,800 left. Of this particular model, I think there's about 100 left, and so it makes it to be quite a rare animal to find on the road these days. In its day, it was very different from that. Almost no wonder it was very popular.